Hurricane warning. Please take shelter. Got more than me, can't fuck. I love when they chase me. Good luck, trying to replace me. Hey, your mama. Got me fucked up. I don't trust him. If he don't got more than me, I can't fuck him. If he don't got what I need, I bust it. Pussy gon' talk like a P, I bust it. Bad bitch gon' shop, no gimme. Brand new drop top, not rented. And every time a bitch start, I finish. If it ain't money in the text, don't see me. First off, bitch, mind your business. Bad bitch in the game like Gucci. Fuck you, pay me. It take more than a penny to pay. Got me fucked up. I don't trust him. If he ain't got more than me, can't fuck. Got me fucked up. I don't trust him. If he ain't got more than me, can't fuck. Fuck.
Frequency is here. Hey yo, Carisha talk to me.
Still when I can trust me a nigga before you play your niggas. I'm a nigga. Tell the ass to go on no nigga rich in the head. Like it's tequila, I can feel it in my liver. He ain't moving on, he ain't had enough of me. To the butlers, I'm nigga. We just went missing. He are Christian.
Everything expensive.
He on my body, drug bag. Bitch, I can never check that. Pop on his future, he's with the host bag. Carisha, please, he love it when I raid.
Hey, what's the remix? Hey, yo, Shotty. Talk to me.
You know I tried to warn you, baby. If I put this on you, I'd drive you crazy. Yeah, I was loyal, why would you betray me? You try to do this, fucking and crazy. Till it gets so frustrating. You be playing all these games and I ain't got time. You be out here like these niggas ain't crazy about me. Like I can make a call, I'm having pull up on the side. You look that you can have her on the weekends. Now you mad cause I told you I was leaving. Nigga, I'm gone, nigga, I'm done. Nigga, I'm on. I think you should get a little dick. It's giving you sass, it's giving you stress, it's giving you press, it's giving this nigga missing the best. But it's been 20 years, nigga, please say less. Because see all you did was me and I just moving. Gotta move on, yeah, got a new agenda. It's more of the same, no, I ain't wrong, yeah, I had to move on, yeah.
I'm F-R-E-E for nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about for nigga cheap. And I'm F-I-N-G-L-E-G. How about hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends? I'm F-R-E-E for nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about for nigga cheap. And I'm F-I-N-G-L-E-G. How about hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends? To the L, to the O, big club. You can catch me down the track, slam with your hoes. I'm popping out in parties, gotta do me for a show. He say, yeah, be living fast, nah, put the boy slow. Hey, we hopping out in red lights, twerking on them red lights. She say she can't come outside, cause that means she's scared, right? We put up in the winter, in the summer, pop out every night. Bragging on them niggas, tell you better hold his head tight. Anyway, life's great, pussy still good. Still eating cake, wishing that a bitch would. Got my foot up on their neck as a bitch should. On the gun, I'm F-R-E-E for nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about my fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E-G. How about hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends? I'm F-R-E-E for nigga free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E-G. How about hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends?